Let's imagine you have an AI chatbot for your business, and let's see how much does it cost to run this on a monthly basis. I'm going to actually show this using a live example as well. So first of all, you have to understand the difference between ChatGPT and OpenAI API keys. Here, this is the difference. So ChatGPT is like a chatbot you can actually use right away. Just type your question and it simply answers. So you can ask ChatGPT to automate a day-to-day task like create social media content, create blog post, analyze data. So that's it. But if you want to create an AI chatbot for your own business, then you will need to actually use the technology behind ChatGPT and provide all the information about your business so you can actually customize for your own needs. So that is where the OpenAI API keys comes into the play. So this gives you the tools to build your own chatbot or use AI in your app or website or even on your social media channels as well. So to make it even simple, ChatGPT is like buying a cake that is ready to eat. But in terms of OpenAI API, it's like getting the ingredients to bake your own cake however you like. And just a quick reminder, you don't need a ChatGPT Plus or ChatGPT account to create your OpenAI API keys. So here, ChatGPT is a byproduct of the OpenAI platform. So here, you can easily create your API keys using platform.openai.com. So if you already have a ChatGPT account, you can simply log into this platform and create the API keys over here. So here, I have created a demo one project over here and created a demo API keys as well, just for the demo. And another important thing regarding the pricing, ChatGPT actually is free for everyone, and you can also have a plus subscription starting at $20 a month. But if you want to create an AI chatbot for your own business, you don't need a ChatGPT account or ChatGPT plus a subscription. You just need to have the OpenAI API keys. And if you're wondering how much does it cost to use these API keys, because since this is actually customized for your own business, it's actually very simple and you only pay for what you use. Simple as that. And here the cost actually differs based on each of these models. So they have GPT-4o model and they also have GPT-4o mini, and as you see, the cost actually differs right here. And for these models, you actually charged based on the number of tokens you use. So here, if you see, it says input tokens, 1k input tokens, you are charged this much. And you can think of these tokens as the pieces of words, where 1000 tokens is actually about 750 words, and for 1000 tokens you will be charged this one. So generally most of the people are actually not familiar with the tokens over here, but they are actually familiar with the words over here. So OpenAI has a tokenizer tools as well. So generally most of the people are actually not familiar with the word tokens over here. So to make things easier, OpenAI has a tokenizer tool as well. So you need to simply paste whatever the information you want to use into your AI chatbot, and it will simply show how much tokens you are using. So for example, let me show an example. So if I click on show example, it says there are 252 characters over here, but the number of tokens is just 53. So when you send this information to the OpenAI API, it will simply use only 53 tokens over here. So here in this case, we are going to build an AI chatbot to respond to the customer's questions. So here, let's say we want to build an AI chatbot for this particular plumbing company, and here we have information about this business such as introduction, what services they provide, the pricing information, and some frequently asked questions along with the contact information as well. So if I simply copy all this information right here and paste this on this particular tokenizer tool, here we have around 5700 characters, but the number of tokens here is 1242. So in terms of OpenAI API pricing, here it's actually priced based on the input tokens and the output tokens as well, as you see. So what does this input tokens mean? So whenever a particular customer asks a question about your business, so let's say a customer asks about where are you located. So in that case, that particular question, where are you located, will be sent to the OpenAI API along with the business information you have right here. So that will be the input over there, and the OpenAI will then analyze the question and also the business information you provide and generate a response. Let's say it will simply say we are located at this particular address, and it will simply calculate the output tokens for that particular response right here as well. And here these are the costs associated right here. So now let's look at a live example over here. So here I have the demo project and the API keys created as well. So you have to create these API keys over here and simply connect it on our platform. And if you click on edit over here, you can easily add whatever the information about your business right here. So let me simply copy all this information over here and simply add it. All right, and here you have the option to choose the model as well. So it says GPT-4o mini. If you want to use GPT-4o not, you can simply use that model as well. And here GPT-4o mini is the cheapest model right here. For example, GPT-4o model cost actually this one. So let me actually show the cost per million tokens. So it's actually 2.5 for million tokens, but if you see for the GPT-4, it's just 0.15 for the million tokens. But all these information we have right here is just 1242 tokens right here, even though we have like 5700 characters. So you get the idea of how cheap this one is. So here I have added the information, and let me choose a GPT-4o model right here, and let me click continue over here. All right, and make sure to activate this one as well and click save. Alright, so now we have quickly created an AI chatbot for your business that can work on all these channels. So you will need to simply connect all the channel associated with your business, and it will simply work on all these channels over here. So let me test how this actually works. Let me actually test this on Instagram, but this can simply work on other channels too. So here this is the business information, and let me show my phone screen as well, and let me simply send a message over here, hey, and see how this actually respond to us over here. So it says, hello, how can I assist you with your plumbing needs today? So let me ask a question. Where are you located? What services do you provide? I want to know about the pricing. So let me send this big question over here and see how this actually responds to us. And it simply responds, this is the location, we provide these services, and these are the pricing. So what is your phone number and the email address? So I'm just simply sending some sort of questions over here just to show you how this actually works and how much request we have sent over there. Alright, we got the response as well. So now let's look at the usage over here up to now. So we just sent 3 questions, and let's go back to the OpenAI platform and see the usage over here. So let me go to the API keys over here and click on usage. So here I'm in the usage tab over here, and today is 21st of November, and we created the API keys in the demo project, and as you see the usage is actually less than 0.01 at the moment, even though we sent just a few messages over here, and it's actually very cheap over here. So let me actually keep sending few messages over here so that we can get some usage over here. So let me copy this message over here. So let me keep sending the same messages right here so that we can actually check the usage right there to see if it actually increased a little bit. So let me quickly send these messages again and again and see how the usage looks like. Alright, I sent few messages right here to test the usage again. Tons of messages over there. So let me go back to the usage tab, and let me actually refresh the page over here and see how much usage we have reached at the moment. So usage right here. So here we got the usage at the moment is $0.08. So if I go to the inbox, and you can see I have sent tons of messages over here, and it just cost me just 0.08. and even though I choose the model as GPT, so in this case I choose the model GPT-4o, which cost 2.5 for 1 million token. But if you choose the other model, which is GPT-4o mini, which cost just 0.15 for 1 million tokens, the cost for the AI chatbot will be even less, and you can easily build simple AI customer support chatbot using this particular model as well. And then you can imagine the cost to keep this running on a monthly basis. And they also provide a discount for the cached tokens as well. For the GPT-4o model, you will also see the cache token as well. So what happens is that when you send the same business information again and again to the AI, they will add a discount as well. So here in this case we haven't changed this information for a while, so they will actually add a discount since you're actually using the same information over there through the API request. So that is a quick video on how much does it cost to keep your AI chatbots running on a monthly basis. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.